Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Welcome back everyone. I hope that you are all in a safe place and in a safe space today. Well, today's video guys, I am going to show you how I attempt to make a, refurbish a round mirror that I have, and I'm going to put lights in back of it. So if you want to see how that's going to turn out, don't go anywhere. I suggest you stay right where you are and see how this is going to turn out in 2 seconds. Hey guys, I just wanted to step in real quick and just make the announcement that I will be doing a 2,000 subscriber giveaway, because I've noticed that I am approaching 2,000 subscribers, and I've always said that I would be doing a giveaway once I hit 2,000 subscribers, and guys, we are approaching that time. So if you would like to be in and eligible for this contest, you must be a subscriber to this channel. And if you are a current viewer and haven't subscribed, or you're new to this channel and haven't subscribed, I suggest that you do so if you want to be a part of this contest. And just stay tuned for more details. By the way guys, this is my 3rd giveaway. When I first started, I did one for 500, then 1,000, and now for 2,000 subscribers. You can check the links in the description below to see those videos. Once the metal pieces soaked for about an hour, I went ahead and took them out one by one and sanded off the residue that was left behind. Yeah, it didn't take it off immediately because this mirror is really old, and so is the hardware right along with it. Right here, I'm showing you the difference, the before and after. And this is how all of the pieces turned out. I'm spray painting the frame that was attached to the back of the mirror. Once I let that set out and dry, I came in and I decided to put some black paint around the edge of my mirror just to bring it back to life. And this is what the spray paint job looked like. And once that was done, this is what I use the tumbling blocks for. I use that to help me position the frame or the mirror away from the wall enough to let the light shine through or illuminate. So here you see I'm just securing my pieces in place using hot glue and wood glue. Now I'm ready to put my hardware in place. and making sure that all of the pieces are secure. Once everything was secure, I went ahead to paint the tumbling blocks. Next, I used the circumference of a floral foam ring to map out where to place the second set of tumbling blocks, which will support the light strips. Alright guys, I don't have on the ring light because I want you to get the full effect of the I don't call it light strip. And this is the remote control. This is a 5 and Below brand, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm just going through the controls to see how it works. Well, I know how it works, but you know what I'm saying. Oh, forgot to mention, I'm using a power pack. This came from 5 and Below also years ago, but it still works. I had it charging at least a good 12 hours, so hopefully this will suffice. But this is my first time trying this project out, guys. Yeah, as I said before, I'm not even sure if I mentioned in the beginning, but this is my first time trying out this project. I've always wanted a mirror that has the lighted glow behind it. I have already hand painted the other blocks, tumbling blocks that I'm going to use. And once those blocks dry, I'll come back to show you what the next step is that I'm going to do, which I'm not sure. But like I said, just hang in there with me, guys, and let's get this thing done. After I have lined up all of my tumbling blocks on the outside of that circumference, I went ahead and secured them all in place with the hot glue. After the power pack was secured to the back of the mirror, the light strip was put in place and secured with hot glue. And once I was finished putting all the pieces together, this is what we have. Right here, I'm just showing you how the power pack looks on the back and how all of the tumbling block pieces are put in place. As you can see here on the sides, how far it sticks out. It will stick out between the wall and the mirror. So guys, this is the final result. And I think it turned out very nice, guys. What do you think? Put your comment below and let me know. I think it turned out really nice. Actually, as I was expecting it to be more illuminated, because you know how lit up it is when it's behind a TV, or how a light strip looks underneath a car. But I don't know. It doesn't have that industrial effect. But anyway, you can still see the lights when it changes. And this is what it looks like when the lights are off. So guys, if you like the content that I have put out in my video today, give me a thumbs up for a like. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to share. And guys, if you would like to participate in my upcoming subscriber giveaway, please subscribe to my channel. You have to be a subscriber in order to participate, and then tap the notification bell so that you can stay updated as to how the giveaway is going. So guys, and you want to see what my next DIY is, so don't forget to tap that notification bell. And guys, don't forget to share this video, and I will see you all in the next DIY. Bye bye.